and sister are home. So if you hear people talking, it's them.
Shush. Hey guys, Ian here. Welcome to another video. Today I'll be joined with this thing.
Hi.
And this girl.
Hello.
Today I'll be drawing stuff.
Yes.
And we'll be doing Angel versus Devil.
Are you still using your mouth? Are you still using your mouth?
Yeah, I'm using my mouth.
Good now. I'm using my laptop pad. Welcome. I'm getting messages. Or
Okay.
somebody's getting messages.
Okay guys, so who's gonna start off first? Race your ugly characters.
Gone. SK, yours. Wait, oh, I'm still here. Okay. Okay. Give me a sec. Stop vandalizing.
Okay, so who's gonna start off the story?
I'll start off.
Okay.
Ian, I'm starting off. Okay, I got this. Okay. No, stop vandalizing. Okay. No, please, leave me alone. Okay, so, once upon a time, there was, what's a random food? I don't know. Cupcake. Okay, cupcake movie. Okay, no, move. Once upon a time, there was a lemon. Lemons are great.
Lemon in the bottom of the screen.
Lemon. Lemon. That looks like a bird.
It does.
What is happening? It's not. Why is it lagging? It won't let me lift it up.
I'll finish this for you.
Technical difficulty. Stop the video.
No, it's gonna keep going. I'm not stopping. So we're letting K-Kai go first because of Oh man.
Okay, so here's the happy lemon. And the happy lemon was heading off to their job. I colored over it. Heading over to their job on the sidewalk, you know, like a normal lemon. And they see this group of kids and that is standing right behind. Well, you can see the shadow of these stupid little kids standing behind them. Like, oh no, my poor lemon soul won't be saved today. So they're still walking. The kids pick them up. Lemon is scared. It's okay, it's the same lemon. There's a hand wrapped around them.
No, little lemon.
They're okay though. But then Lemon remembers they are a pro at karate. Okay, now you stop, and now it's Ian's turn to continue on this. I was gonna draw that! I need a bigger thing. Wah. Okay, now it's Ian's turn to continue the story. Wah. There, okay.
Okay, my turn. Move!
Okay, you might want to do it. You gotta continue the story.
So, the they were like, oh, he's Kung Fu Master. Oh yeah, he Kung Fu Master. And then, out of nowhere, the lemon, it grew legs. And kicked him in the face. From the side. And then, they hit face first into the sidewalk. I'm having troubles here. hit face first into the sidewalk and die.
I'm having technical difficulties again.
And then there's the lemon, all happy with his legs.
Okay.
So, then the happy lemon decided to keep going to work. He went to work, by the way. And then, but then his boss, Mr. Pineapple, started to yell at him. Oh, late for the work. And then the poor apple, not the lemon, started to cry. The lemon, he was crying because he got late. He was a late little lemon. With his no legs, he got carried away. Then he didn't know. He's on the ground sobbing with his tears everywhere. Please stop.
Technical difficulties.
Guys, come on! We could have made this a half decent video.
Technical difficulties.
What the frick? Okay. Let's give a little smiley. Oh, no. So let's go back. It's your turn, SK, for the happy little lemon.
Okay, you mean this like lemon who's crying? Okay. Move your stupid thing.
This is the part we're at.
I know. Move, okay, die. Okay, and then so like leave me alone. So then like the lemon was like, oh no, I'm like crying. So then like the lemon, he was like crying and things. I'm sorry, I'm using like a technical difficulty. Okay, so just rewind that part.
Is that your mouth? Is this the mouth? Is this the mouth?
Okay, and then so the lemon goes like he like walks up. Wait, let me erase this. Where it's lagging, and then so like the lemon was like he like grew arms and legs, and like he had his legs, right? He had his like great legs.
Mhm.
And then he like grew arms.
What the hell?
And he slapped his boss really hard. Let's just say this is Pineapple. I'm trying with a laptop pad at the moment, and then the boss was like, "Oh, you hit me! Shame on you! Technical why? I'm sorry, guys. My thing is messed up." And like the guy was like, "Oh no, you hit me! You're fired." I thought they already were fired.
No, they just went to.
They're fired twice.
Like when they hire you and then they fire you again.
And then like the lemon, he like. There isn't a totally erase button. There is? Yeah, below the normal, there's an erase. Oh, that's really okay. You've lied. It doesn't work. Yeah, it does. It's not working. Are you on your right layer? Yeah. It's the thing that looks like an eraser below the normal, and it's okay.
Taka, your turn.
Okay. So the lemon beats up their boss. Pineapple dude is dead. He looks like a steak, but it's okay. The little lemon boy is happy.
But.
And then he heads home. With his newfound legs.
Don't forget the arms. Oh my god. It's like a deer. Okay.
Yay!
But little did he know little did he know that when he would go home, excuse this horrible lemon, when he went home, he was walking and he went into his house. But
Hey, guys, explain to me, like, gives me a square.
he goes home and he realized that the mom, she got cut in half by the pineapple's wife,
Child.
and they're all this crying. It's crying
Why is
everywhere.
Why
It's
is
all
Lee crying? She's
death and
dead.
destruction. But then stop vandalizing. And then the pineapple, the lemon sees something so beautiful. I swear to God.
Wait, actually, Cake, I had to erase the whole thing.
The eraser
Oh my
button
God,
below
shut
the
up.
normal.
But then
Is it like on this right or left?
Right, where it's in the layer.
Oh, it's in the lake.
But then, the lemon, little did the lemon know that the spirit of the mother was here with her newfound wings. And she was like,
That's
hey there, my friend. Hello there, amigo. Hello. You see who have grew legs. Yes, I have. But then the lemon remembered. The mother was not this pretty. This was a fake. So then our little lemon spit on to fake. He spit on her. He spit on to fake. And then she died. She damn died. He spit on her. Spit on her. And then your turn, SK.
Oh, okay. Why is there? Okay, so like, okay, we're gonna use that face. Don't. Oh my God. Technical difficulty.
Stop ruining the face.
Okay. Okay, keep those faces there. Okay, so like, no, move the faces. Yeah, right there, stay. Okay, so like, this was like the. Stop moving the face. No. Okay, we're just gonna.
Wait, where the hell did it go? Oh, there it is.
Stop the face.
Here it is. No, not again! Okay, so we have the face. I'm gonna put the face right here.
Okay, don't stop moving it. So like the venom was like, oh, I spits on the queen, but then this stop moving the face. But then this burger comes along, this burger patty. Sorry, it's really no.
Descending onto the burger patty. Oh, okay, it's gone.
That's the burger patty, the lemon. So the burger patty was confessing the love to
He's
their
confessing.
No, stop moving.
He's confessing his love.
Will you marry me, lemon?
And then he jumped into its arms. And then he jumped into the arms of the burger. I love you.
No.
No.
No, move. I'm not done. Get back.
He jumped into the arms of the burger.
Okay, no. And so the lemon was yes. And then they're like, woo.
And then the end. They
And then
love
they had a
each
dance
other.
party with a bunch of lights. Let me get some lights. Don't move. Nobody move. Let me go.
One. Well, thank you guys for watching my crappy ass video. Stop slapping me, SK. Well, hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye!